Start by grabbing some oil pastels. I like to use brown, black, and yellow. Tear the pages straight down using your hand as a guide. Use the torn off paper as a guard to protect against the next page. Overlap the pastels and blend them together with your fingers. You may have to try a couple times before you get the look you like. Try different color combinations and page coverages. A burnt look can be a great way to start a page design.